I'm Jeff Lovell, a staff accountant with AA Accounting, and today we're going to try to answer the age-old question of what you can and can't deduct for medical expenses. I'm going to first cover the deductible costs and then finish up with what you can't deduct. As you probably already know, you can deduct your health insurance premiums, including payments for Medicare, and your medical and dental co-pays and out-of-pocket expenses, as well as the cost to travel to the doctor. Typical expenses include doctor's visits, exams, including to chiropractors, acupuncturists, and psychiatrists, lab fees and x-rays, eye exams, eyeglasses and contact lenses, hearing aids and batteries, prescription meds, bandages, and other over-the-counter medical equipment, and medical aids like wheelchairs, crutches, braces, and prosthetic limbs. You can deduct costs that are related to having a disability. For example, if you have to pay for an attendant for a blind or deaf student, or to send your kids to a camp for kids with disabilities, or if you have to pay education expenses for a special education for a child with a disability, where the primary reason to send the child to that school is for medical care, that's deductible. You can also deduct guide dogs for the blind and special equipment to make your car, TV, or phone hearing impaired accessible, and the extra cost of Braille books or magazines. You can deduct capital expenses for home improvements, like say installing an in-home elevator to make your home more handicap accessible, but you can only deduct the excess of the cost over the increase in your value of your home. You could also deduct things like a reclining chair, in-home medical care such as a CNA, any extra rent or utility costs for the home to house in-home nursing care. And if you are in a nursing home, you can deduct your medical as well as your lodging and meal expenses. There's some medical expenses that are only deductible if they're necessary to treat a medical condition or a disease, such as cosmetic surgery, eye surgery, breast reconstruction, wigs, diaper service, vitamins, air conditioning, lead paint removal, if you've got a child who's susceptible to that, the cost to attend a medical conference if it's related to a chronic disease, a new mattress to alleviate the effects of arthritis, or if you're on oxygen. Some nutrition and weight loss expenses are deductible. Generally, they have to be recommended by a doctor and they have to be in treatment of a specific illness. And some of the things you could deduct in that situation would be the cost for a weight loss program, exercise costs, gym membership, the cost to swim, smoking cessation, prescription drugs, and extra costs associated with a special diet. You can deduct quite a few different types of family planning costs, including fertility treatments, sex therapy, and birth control pills if recommended or prescribed by a doctor, a legal abortion or sterilization, a vasectomy, pregnancy tests, childbirth prep classes, and breast pumps. You can never deduct the additional insurance premium cost to insure children who are independent of you and are over 18 years old, funeral expenses, illegal drugs like marijuana, even if they're legal at the state level, over-the-counter medication such as aspirin, with the exception of insulin, nicotine patches and gum, teeth whitening, any elective cosmetic surgery, or weight loss or gym memberships or exercise costs that are just designed to improve your appearance or overall health, dancing or swimming lessons, even if they have a medical purpose, or maternity clothes. If you have a question regarding this video or any other tax or accounting questions, give us a call at AA Accounting. Call us today to set up an appointment to discuss your tax situation with one of our tax experts. We can help.